then
Here's another real quick, die hard, you got to get back in operation emergency fix. It's called, you know what, there's a lot of names out there for it. I call it a pinch braze. Cut your pipe, your pressure side. Somehow, if you can, I know I'm using a vise. If you can use a pair of pliers, you just want to pinch it. Preferably, clean it before. Throw your flux on. If you have a good plumber, he should be able to do this for you. And again, these are all just temporary fixes to get you through until you get a permanent fix done. Okay, that's one. I'm going to reset and I'll show you how to do that wire wrap again, and then we'll do a pressure test to show you that they can hold pressure.